Hey everybody, how you doing? This is an Elliott math lesson and I am here today to teach you how to play the dot game. The dot game is a great game to play when you're on a road trip or on an airplane trip and you don't have a phone or something you can look at and you need a game to play with the person next to you. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil and I guess a hard surface to write on, and you can play the dot game. And here's how you play the dot game. I'm going to play the dot game my competitors are going to be Elliott with a hat versus Elliott no hat. And Elliott with a hat gets to go first, and he chooses to go here. Then no hat Elliott, he decides to do this. And then hat Elliott decides to do this. And no hat Elliott does this, and Elliott with a hat does this. It is a strategy game, but I'm just kind of moving through it really fast right now so you can get an idea for what the dot game is. Now we're back to hatted Elliott, and he does this, and then no hat Elliott. He's running out of spots to go. He'll go here. Then hatted Elliott, he would go here, so perhaps. And then no hat Elliott, no hat Elliott, he would go here. And then Elliott with a hat, he could go here, I suppose. And then no hat Elliott, we're running out of spots. Maybe. Shoot. I think no hat Elliott's is in a pickle. He's going to have to give up a spot. So no hat Elliott is going to go here, and if you notice, there's three sides closed at this point, which means when hat Elliott puts his hat back on, he can close out the circle, and he puts an H for hat Elliott. And because he just closed a square, he gets to go again, and he chooses to go here. So then now it's no hat Elliott's turn, and hey, he can close a square here, so he closes a no square, the square, and he calls it no, or N for no hat. And now it's no hat Elliott's turn again, and he just noticed a good spot right here to go. And now it's hat Elliott's turn, and I think hat Elliott might be in trouble. I'm not sure, but I guess hat Elliott will go here. We'll see what happens. So then no hat Elliott is like, oh yeah, I can close this box, put no hat Elliott. I can now close this box, put no hat Elliott, because if you close a box, you get a second turn. Here, N, here, N, here, N, here, N, there, and game over. No hat Elliott wins, 8-1. And that's the dot game. It doesn't have to be a 4x4. If you have a lot of time on your hands, it could be like a 10x8. Or a 12x4, or 138x10. It can be any size you want. That's how exciting the dot game is. Well, that's how you play the dot game. We're going to do a tournament in class tomorrow. So what I recommend doing is show your parent this video, play a couple rounds of the dot game. The tournament is going to be 4 dots by 4 dots, just like this one. And by doing that, that guarantees that we have a 3x3 grid, which guarantees there will be a winner, and it'll keep the game moving so we can get 4 rounds done in 20 minutes. So yeah, try this game out with a parent or something, or maybe your friend. Just learn. If you play 2 or 3 or 4 games tonight before the tournament, you can get a good idea for how the game is played and come up with a couple strategies so that you can win. And you want to be able to complete a game in under 5 minutes so we can keep the tournament going. That's all I have to say, everybody. Thank you for watching. Big Elliott, bam, I'm out. See ya.